Somebody mentioned birds. Thaibirdspot. In today's little video we're going to be looking at Munias. Two different types of Munia to be exact. The scaly-breasted and the white-rumped. And don't forget, please stay tuned to the end of this video for a new segment called Talking Gear and Talking Rubbish. The scaly-breasted Munia is a small bird with a brown head, throat, back and wings. Its underparts are mainly white with a brown scaling on the breast and flanks, hence its name, scaly-breasted. The adult birds are similar in their coloration, but the juveniles are much lighter in their coloration, as you can see here. This species is highly gregarious, forming flocks of up to 100 birds, which can cause severe damage to crops and rice fields. I think they're not the farmer's favourite, that's for sure. The white-rumped Munia is a similar sized bird, but is much darker in its plumage, lacks the scales on its breast, and has a long pointed black tail. When busily feeding in flocks like this, not much actually disturbs them. If they are disturbed, they fly briefly, but they're back within seconds, destroying the farmer's crops. As you can see here, they will pick off individual grains of rice, crush them with their beaks, extract the inner rice seed, and then discard the outer shell. Fun fact, a group of Munias can be called a charm, a company, or a trembling of Munias. Right, that's it for another little video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll leave me a comment and subscribe. Coming up next is a new segment where I'm going to be talking a little bit about some of the gear that I use and generally talking a load of rubbish. So if you want to hear that, stick around. So this is a handy piece of kit that I think most people should have. Yeah, just a bit of camouflage netting, hang it over the window, and you can certainly get a lot closer. So there's a nice Indian roller perched right in front of me. I guarantee as soon as I open this door, he's going to be off. Let's have a look. See if we can get him. There we go, goes the door. Yep, there he goes. Dun, 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 dun. Another good piece of kit that's available from the Thaibirdspot website is this. Weighs a ton. Bean bags. So these bean bags, just fill them with rice. They're shaped. So I don't know if you can see that, but it just hangs over the door. Camera on top. Nice and stable. Indian roller. He's quite far off, so I think the picture is going to be a little bit small, but as you can see, look, perfectly stable. All we want him to do now is to fly. Well, that's it. It is time to go. It's definitely time to go. That's the third battery just gone flat. So it's definitely time for a new camera. Right. Shame I didn't get him flying, but there we go, just a piece of camouflage webbing. Right, window up, because it's damn hot. There. And air conditioning, full blast. Well, that didn't work. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Air conditioning, full blast, please. Right, there we go. Aircon, full blast. Damn, it's hot. So let's put the camera away. I guess you can't hear me because of the aircon. I'm sure you know. Oh man. Need that. Right, I don't know what it is with these batteries, but they're not lasting as long as they should. Oh, let's turn that down. Right, yeah, I don't know what it is with these batteries, but they're just not lasting as long as they should do. Not really. Right, there should be a little bag here. Yeah, it just shows how anal I am. And you know, also it's good to take care of your equipment. Now, I've had this little sound recorder for about, I think I've had this little sound recorder for about 4 years, and that's still the bag that it came with. But don't ask me about the bag for the microphone. I do have it, but I don't know where. Right, let's pop all this gear away. It all packs away nicely. So we didn't get to pack play this morning. Didn't actually wake up to get to pack play this morning. What's that? Is that what I think it is? Yep. It's pond heron. Right, we shall shove that in the back. And I really would like to get some. Damn. How much longer are we going to have to wear these for? Righty ho. Time to go. Thaibirdspot.